and we have made some pockets here so you can pop it up easily for the teacher, but for those children, they're not able.
For design, actually we can just adjust the side in the SolidWorks and we attach the suction cup tape. It's really easy to produce and it's really low cost. Prototype testing.
This is an educational application, so they can choose different things they want, and also like some folks.
See patient's dependencies on if they lean towards the right or the left side more. So what we wanted to do was install 4 sensors in each leg, pressure sensors, and all the data is sent through the transducers, and then that data is processed and sent to the Android app.
If you press on one side more significantly than the other, then the weight shows up how much you're pressing on it, and we have an arrow that's blinking as well as a more detailed view of about which side you leaned on more than the other. And
members, she took this prototype to a senior center, and basically we wanted it to be entirely mechanical design, simple to use, simple to put together. So it basically consists of 4 parts: this cover, this base cup.
In that little area, so you only have to tilt the cup up a little bit as opposed to all the way back like this.
This platform that moves the inner bag.
This is a virtual reality headset with 2 lenses to each of your eyes, slightly offset, so leap motion onto the front of it.
So we had this game where you were looking for objects in your desk. You'll have your hands in that virtual environment, and we programmed it so that there was some gesture recognition, so that when you pinch your hands like this, it would be registered within the virtual environment, and if you were pinching one of the handles on the desk, you could open the drawers. And then in those drawers would be objects that you were trying to find.
Off the pedal, their knees can slide into the bicycle and injure themselves, and this brace basically allows them to focus on the actual motion in the bicycle. So I contacted Ross and asked typical devices you can find online. Prototype right here was probably at most. We worked with Kurt Braun and actually made pretty much everything ourselves. He was there teaching us how to do it, but he was actually very cool about so that we can actually test the device and see what's good and what's not good and what we can improve on.